Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of X. You will go to settings. In this page you will go down to click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about X and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of X. If you find updates, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by liking.